Hi, this is a quick video to walk through how we're using Knative eventing and GCP pubsub event source to index store data from CSV file. We have mobile application will pass the latitude, longitude, and then the radius as inputs, and then the query function will then submit an Elasticsearch query, geodistance search query, and then return back the results. We also want new stores get added, store information changes frequently. So the idea is we want to use this tool, command line application here, to um, to basically consolidate all of the information, store information in a BigQuery table, and at the same time we're kind of sending a message to a topic, which then gets picked up by the eventing components and then forwards it to our indexer function. Uh, Indexer function then adds those newly added or updated stores into the Elasticsearch index. So let's go take a look at this. So I'll switch over to my GCP console here. First thing I'll do is I will create the pubsub topic. I'm going to name it store indexer. Switch back to my command line, and I'm going to deploy my indexer function. So again, I'll do kubectl apply -f service.yaml. That'll deploy my indexer function. Do the same thing with the GCP pubsub event source. kubectl apply -f GCP pubsub source. That will create my GCP pubsub event source. If we look kubectl get pods, we should see one deployment for indexer running here, and then the pubsub event source. Just can take a look at the logs real quick here. Receive adapter. Okay, so it's up and running. Next thing we'll do is we'll index some data, store data. So I'm going to kick off the. Before I do that, let me make sure I created the index. So just delete just in case one's already there. And then I'll go ahead and create the index. So now the store index is created on our command to load the data. kubectl get pods, and then okay, there we go. We should see it's adding stores into the index. We can also, if you want to debug what once this process is complete, we should be able to deploy our query and then actually run a query to see if we're able to query for stores. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy the query. Okay, kubectl apply -f query. Okay, it's deployed. Let's switch back to our postman here, and here's a sample input. Let's go execute that now. There we go. So we can see there's 289 stores in the 500 kilometer radius for that latitude and longitude. Can drop this down to, let's say, 100, and that count should drop now, so it's back to 12. Hopefully that was helpful.